Today I have attended Microsoft Ignite day one, and there are a lot of exciting news for new products in the data side. I just want to share news with you also. First one is Azure Cosmos DB for PostgreSQL. As we know, Azure Cosmos DB is a NoSQL database. It has capabilities of highly scalability, high availability, and latency. And PostgreSQL is an RDBMS database. It have capabilities for consistency of the data and the transactional nature and acid properties. So now with Azure Cosmos DB for PostgreSQL supports the capabilities of both the NoSQL as well as the relational databases. So we can get the benefit of relational and non-relational data using this familiar database service. Second one is Azure Stream Analytics support for the data lake output. So from the Azure Stream Analytics, now we can write the output to the Delta Lake format in the storage account. By writing in the Delta Lake format, we can do various operations, merge and update operations on the Delta tables, and also if you want to delete particular record, also we can able to delete that particular record. So it provides capabilities of delta format. Next one is Azure database migration service. Now it supports the assessment for migrating from Oracle database to the Azure database for PostgreSQL. Data Factory support for the SAP change data capture. So it provides a connector to extract the data from SAP into the Azure platform using the data factory. We can write into the target. One is Power BI support to data sharing, and by sharing the data to various other tenants using the Power BI, now we can get the benefits of Power BI and perform various analytics, integrating with various sharing the data with other entities. Next one is Microsoft Purview data governance features enhancement. It supports the SQL dynamic lineage and tracking the lineage from source to target in various ecosystem of the Azure data services, and also meta models. So it will provide meta model for the department organization, various metadata, and apart from that it also supports machine learning based classification for the data. And Azure Data Explorer support for Azure Synapse Link to integrate with the Azure Cosmos DB. So we can this is very interesting feature, and we can maintain using this Synapse Link Azure Cosmos DB data into Azure Data Explorer also for the analytics. And also now Azure Data Explorer supports Azure Stream Analytics. Output supports Azure Data Explorer. So these are very interesting features which we can leverage provide various data solutions to the customers. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more exciting news from the Ignite of Microsoft Ignite from tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Yeah, you will get a summary of hot news and announcements in 2 minutes with from Cloud and Data Science. Thanks for watching.